Good evening, guys. So my husband will make banana bread. So ingredients is 1 cup water, 1/3 cup oil, and 2 eggs. But before we start the oven 375 degree and start preheat. So after that, guys, he pour the flour, the banana flour, and pour the 1 cup water. And then next is 1/3 cup oil, and 2 eggs. And after he put all the ingredients in the big bowl, he pour that in the blender. Yeah, it's very easy, guys. Pour everything in the blender, and you don't need to be worry anything. Mix everything in there. Yan. And you never be tired to mix. So after that, guys, he prepared the uh the and he spray already the cooking oil and pour everything in there. Yan, and make sure that everything is mixed, and pour. So ganyan lang kadali, guys. It's very quick and easy. Yan. And ready to put in the oven. So ready to put, guys, and cook for 40 minutes. So after 40 minutes, guys, our banana bread is done. There you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. God bless and take care, everyone. See you for my next video. God bless.